Here it is. Okay. Ooh, welcome, man. Y'all see it. Dodge Ram 1500. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Now, most of you guys know we're still in the peak winter months. So, this customer, I'm at Brothers Motors, guys, by the way. Call me up. I see you on YouTube. Oh, you think you can fix my Ram 1500? Y'all know me. What's wrong with it? Okay. No heat. Okay, and like I say, there's no snow. There's hardly ever any snow in Atlanta, but people still want the heat to work. Now, what I do, first thing I do when trying to diagnose any type of HVAC related system, any type of system, matter of fact, I do what we call duplication. I try to duplicate it, right? Now, what we're dealing with is a heater situation, guys. All right, y'all know how heater as well as AC, you combine them together, they call HVAC. Okay, y'all know how that system works, the heater system. It starts with the plumbing side, right, guys, under the hood. Okay, heater, in order for heat to come out of these vents and make it to your face and make you comfortable, the magic starts under the hood. Okay, there's a thing called a water pump that's designed to circulate coolant. All right, that coolant travels throughout the cooling system, meaning the radiator, the engine, there's two tubes, I want to say 3/4 hoses that go to a device, small radiator called a heater core. Okay, from there, your distribution system take over, right? So there's some doors inside of here that will be put in the positions that you commanded. Okay, let's say this one. This is hot, this is cold. So likely this will be called a mode door. Let's say this one. You got the face, and the floor, you got the floor, defaults. That's called, no, this is called blend. This is called mode. Okay, mode is which mode you want it. You want to come out of here, you want to come out of defaults, you want to come out of flow. All right, that is mode. This right here, hot and cold, is blend. Are you going to blend the temperatures, or you want it full hot or full cold? Now, I've been on full hot for a good 3 minutes, and this is freezing. Okay, so one of two things. The plumbing side is not working, or the distribution side is not working. Okay, so that's where you come in as the mechanic. Now, I say this all the time, guys. A couple of things you can do first. You can go check the plumbing side. Now, the easiest thing to check, the easiest way to check, you got to make sure you got coolant in the thing and the system is free of air. All right, we want to assume that he has no problem with overheating or anything like that. I already asked him. Now, so what I'm going to do is go under the hood and feel both heater hoses and check the temperature of them. All right, in fact, we'll do that right now, guys. Yeah, let me take a break right quick. Let's go outside under the hood, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, the heater core, the heater hoses is over here on this side. So this is Hemi. It's been running for a good 10 minutes now. All right, it should have reached operating temperature by now. If not, you got problems with things such as coolant, water pump, or thermostat. Thermostat has a major effect on heater. All right, but what I'm gonna do is grab these heater hoses. Whoa, and that hose right there is scorching hot. So I can't tell if it's inlet or outlet. It doesn't matter. It runs around like a loop. They both should be hot. If one is hot, the other should be hot. If one is hot and the other one is cold, that simply means there's a restriction in the heater core. In this case, both heater hoses are hot, guys. So that's when the distribution side takes over the heating process, okay? So the plumbing side seems to be doing its job. The water pump is circulating the coolant, going through the radiator, going through the block, and traveling through these tubes. In this case, hoses, heater core hoses. Now, let's go back inside and talk some more about distribution. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Freezing in here. Yes, this is not comparable. This is not, from the feel of the outside heater hoses, I should be scorching hot right now. I'm in the full heat position, guys, and I'm on high, and I'm on panel. It's not. Now, that means one of two things. The distribution is at fault. Okay, now you got to be careful how you diagnose air distribution system. Okay, remember I told you those 3 modes of operation: the mold door, blend door, the mold door, the recirc, which is outside air or inside air. Okay, it is the job of the blend door to direct airflow past the heater core so hot air can come out of the vents. Is that being done? I don't know. These are, from the look of this is a HVAC module. Oh, good news, guys. You know what that means? On an HVAC module, because this is a module, it is likely on the bus network system. So, another piece of good news. All you need is a good scan tool to get in here and diagnose it, guys. All right, now I don't know, you DIY guys, I don't know what kind of deal y'all working with, but because this is a HVAC module, I'm gonna hook my scan tool up and see if there are any codes in it, because that will help diagnosis a lot. All right, so let me do that, guys. Let me plug this in. Now y'all know I have to get off my recording device and go and through this app and figure out what's going on, see if there's any fault codes and things like that. So y'all hold tight, I'm going anywhere, I'll be right back. Well, guys, just as I suspected, there are some mode door travel range codes. Y'all, I had it on the screenshot. Y'all see what? Look at these screenshots right here. I went to, if you can see, as you can see, HVAC is yellow. That means there's some trouble codes in it. I went to DTC and here are the codes right here. All right, travel range from the blend door and the mold door. Actually, the blend door is at fault. So guys, it's fairly simple. We got a problem with the doors, the actuator, not the physical doors on the HVAC system. It's the actuators are not, chances are the doors are still doing their thing. It's the actuator's job to turn those doors. Okay, from those, based off those fault codes, that's not happening. The travel range, the computer have a way to monitor the range of the travel, and it sees a problem with it right now. Okay, so what I recommend you do, guys, we're gonna need some more doors. We're gonna need a blend door actuator. Now you go up to parts, all 3 of these actuators are the same, so you basically go up and ask for a HVAC actuator. Okay, so yeah, let me go. I have to call my customer and tell them the semi good and the semi bad news. The good news is you don't need a freaking heater core. I want to suspect you don't. All right, remember, I will not technically know until I got that actuator in the full heat. Now, here's a thought, guys. Here's something you can do. If you want to make 100% sure, you can take that actuator, pull it off the door. In other words, take it off. All right, and put your hand up there and turn the door manually to full heat. If you start blasting heat out of here, yeah, you know your actuator not doing its job. So if you're in denial and you want to make 100% sure that's your problem, that is one option. So for now, guys, I'm done. I'm sorry this was just a talk only video, but I have no part to put on. All right, I will not have no part until they sell it. Now, I don't know if y'all know me or follow me for a while. I hate long videos and carryover videos, so I'm gonna upload this video, and I'll tell you what, when the part get here, we'll talk some more and we'll get that part put on. I can show you the setup. All right, that's fair enough. Yes. All right, guys. Yes, I'm in hot. It's freaking cold. I guarantee you that actuator has failed. Guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.